so today we have some crystals to unbox. Well, I shouldn't really say unbox because I already took them out. And I do have 2 other types of crystals coming, but they're coming from China. So they're going to take longer to get here. But this is the majority of things I got, so I was like, okay, let's do a little unboxing video with these. So let's get started. I always try to save the, oh, I know what those are. Whatever this is called, bubble wrap, that's what it's called. Because there's no point of throwing it out if I'm just going to use it. Now this paper I'm not really gonna salvage, but they were smaller than I thought they were gonna be. So I might need to go get my other light, or let's try to, shit, sorry. Let's reposition you. So that, well, there's real peeking in there. All right, I think this will be better. So we have beautiful garden quartz. This is my first time having garden quartz in the shop. Whoops. Oh, look at this chunk. Gorgeous. Garden quartz is just, oh my god, always such a beautiful crystal. Oh, look at this chunkster. I always love garden quartz because it's like its own little world in there. Gorgeous. Come on. Another big chunky piece. Look at that rainbow. It looks like glass. It's so gorgeous. Rue, what are you sniffing? I can hear you sniffing. Jesus, that's some strong ass tape. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, this one has a few rainbows in it. Gorgeous. I love it. So we got 6 pieces. That's pretty good. Let's move on to the next. I know what those 2 big ones are, and I'm gonna save those for last. Really, I know what all of this is, obviously, but. So these are fluorite towers. Oh my god. Look at this chunky one. I love how dark that purple is too. Ooh, this one's cool. And look at all those rainbows in there. That beautiful banding. I always love when you can see a peek of it. This one's very rainbow. Look at that banding. It almost has like chevron banding in it. Gorgeous. Look at that beautiful banding. My God. Oh, rainbow. Rainbow alert. Can you see it? Or are you catching glare? I can see it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, I have a feeling that these are going to sell quickly. Really, the garden cords too, but these florites, my God, I think they're really going to sell fast. Then again, sometimes you think something's going to go quickly and it doesn't. Oh, but how can you resist the rainbow? Because have you tasted the rainbow? Gorgeous. So it looks like we get six towers. Every single one of these has rainbows. I love it. All right, we got 6 towers from that. All right. Those are both 1 pound lots too, so I think that's pretty good for what I paid. Now this should be, okay, I'm gonna have to cut it. Black tourmaline pieces. Alright, looks like we're gonna have quite a few of these. I might do this as like a generalized, well, actually maybe I won't. Maybe I'll do different price points, but let's look at some of these. Beautiful pieces. And heavy too. It looks like I might do price points because I don't want it to be that like somebody pays, I don't know, I'd have to figure out what the price would be for them, but you know, let's say $3 and somebody gets this and somebody gets this. So I might do different price points based on size, but we got quite a bit in there, so, and that's a 2 pound lot. I think I said that already. So I'm happy with that. Sometimes you get a 2 pound lot and you're like, that's really 2 pounds or that's 2 kilos or whatever. All right. Didn't even make my hands that dirty. Now, these are the same thing. They're selenite bowls. Definitely, I can already tell bigger than the previous ones I've had in the shop. It's been a while since I've had selenite bowls because it's just like, I got Nephrite jade bowls for a little bit, and then I finally was like, I need to get more selenite bowls. So here we are. It's a 6-piece, it's a 6-piece lot. So these are going to be 3 and 3 in here. Damn, this tape that she uses does not come to play. Alright. Oh, those are gorgeous. They're not. They're definitely satin spar. You can't see through them. I mean, you can kind of. You can see my hand come up behind it. But these are gorgeous. They look about 2 inches thick. A lot bigger than the previous ones we had. The previous ones we had were maybe like an inch or two, like in diameter. So these are probably about 4, is my guess. 3.5 to 4. 3.5, I think. Okay. The previous ones I had were maybe a third of this. Actually, my mom has one. I just realized my mom had bought one from me. So this was our original ones that we had for a little bit when we opened the shop, actually. So there's your size difference. I don't think there's really too much of a height difference, and there kind of is. But this one's definitely a lot smaller. All right, there are our crystals. So we have 2 other types coming, like I said, but they're coming from actually somebody new I'm trying. I have used this wholesaler quite a few times. She's been like the main one I've ordered crystals from so far, but I'm expanding my wholesaler list. So one of the people that I wanted to try, I have ordered from, but like I said earlier, they're from China, so it's taking longer. Last I checked, just a couple of hours ago, it was still like getting processed in China, so it hasn't even started to fly or boat over a sea there. But that's a new wholesaler I'm trying. And then I have another one that I will probably order from in the next couple of months. But anyhow, these are gorgeous. You will see them up. Probably I'll put on the screen if they're already up on the Etsy shop, but I'm about to get everything priced and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked this, please like and subscribe because I'm amazing, enjoying the family, you know. Anyhow, much love.